we have to change each decimal to the fraction or mixed number, and next simplify if possible. So first, always is good to read the decimal number. We have 12 and 31 hundredths. And again, when we have to change decimal to the fraction, first we have to copy whole number. This is 12. Next we have to draw fraction bar. Wherever we have after decimal point, we have to write in numerator. And denominator is always 1, and we just add how many digits we have here, 2 after decimal point, so we add 2 zeros to the denominator. We cannot reduce 31 with 100, so this is solution to the first example. Next example, we have 0 at the beginning before decimal point, so we don't have whole number. Next we have to draw fraction bar. Wherever we have after decimal point, we have to write in our numerator, so 145, and denominator is just 1, and we count the digits 1 to 3 digits. It means we have to add 3 zeros to our denominator. We have 145 thousandths. Now we have to check if we can reduce numerator with denominator. At the end we have 5 and 0, so we can divide numerator and denominator by 5. 145 divided by 5 is 29. We divide numerator by 5 and denominator by 5. So this is 29, and 1000 divided by 5 is 200. So this is my solution.